What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see here, we have Geo, okay, a Geo Group. It is 5% up today, and beautiful delivery. Like as I said, after we break above, like right here, I'm only looking for upside moves. It definitely just reopened into the bull, so there is no question asked. Even yesterday, we closed above that high. So after we have delivered, yeah, that's a great area to keep an eye on here. Okay, next. You can see that after we made the height there, we came back lower and we're just moving higher. So definitely we're just going to be aiming for these 837 highs to get cleared for me. Again, we just tapped into there. And after we shifted, I believe, on the lower time frame, maybe 5 minute or some shit. Yeah, now we're looking for upside moves. So let me know what are the thoughts about Geo. I'm still pretty bullish on him. Looking for these highs to get cleared around 840 or some shit. Have a wonderful day and goodbye.